Hello guys, it's me, Idiotic Cherry, and I will be doing a squishy tag because I'm really bored right now. So yeah, let's get right on to the video. Okay, so my first question is my hardest squishy. Well, squishies. So this is from, I think the company is called Soft and Slow Squishies. This one's really hard, but I think this one is way harder because you really have to put your muscle into it. But yeah, these are my hardest squishies because this is more harder. This one's easier to do. To squish. Okay, my next one is my softest squishy. So this little cat is my softest squishy. Actually, I do have this squishy, but it's bigger and it's a little bit bigger, and it's brown. Okay, the next one is my favorite squishy. So I don't really have a favorite squishy. I like all my squishies. So yeah. So my family member's favorite squishy. So this is my mom's favorite squishy. She really likes this one. It's super slow rising. It's not the real one, but who cares? I don't really care if it's the real one or not. So the most slow rising squishy I have is this one. One time, I squished it and it took 3 minutes to rise. I even counted it on my phone. So yeah, the worst squishy I have. So this right here is the worst squishy I have. It just bounces right back up when I squish it. And even it keeps ripping on the sides. But okay, so the cutest packaging squishy. So I really do like this packaging. It's not the real packaging for this squishy. It says Jumbo Rabbit Cake Squishy. I don't know why. But let me just show the squishy to you. Super slow rising. I really like this squishy. I could just bite off a piece and My favorite part is squishing this part because it's the fattest part, and then it's the most slow rising part. So yeah, that's the cute packaging squishy, even though it's not the real packaging. Okay, the next one is the weirdest squishy. Now this right here is definitely my weirdest squishy. No, it's not the cake pop. It's what's inside it. It's this thing. So on the packaging it said it was like a confetti yeti or something. I have no idea what it was, but it's not super bad. At least it's not as bad as my pineapple. Okay. We're going to the last ones. My best smelling squishy. Now this little guy right here is actually my best smelling squishy. I do not have another one because I don't have many scented squishies. And sorry for the background noise. So it's super slow rising. This is from Smushy Mushies. It's the besties. Got the little macaroon. Forgot what its name is though. I threw away the things. Okay, so this is my worst smelling squishy. Now this right here is my worst smelling squishy. It smells so bad, but it's really good. Oh gosh. When you put it in the bag, it smells like dough, like cookie dough or something to me. But when you take it out of the bag, oh, it tastes nasty. Okay, so smallest squishies. Well, yeah, this is actually squishies. And actually, this one is included in this one too, so I'll just put this here too. So first, it's my Hello Kitty donut. Then this is from Smushy Mushies too. This is one of the besties. I think it's from the Munchies. This is from the dessert ones. I think this is the sushi. And this is actually it's not as bad as the donut. It's not as bad as the donut squishy that smelled really bad, but this smells bad. Okay, next one is from Smushy Mushies too. I think this is the snacks. I really like Smushy Mushies. And the last one, well, not the last squishy, the second to last squishy is this little pop. Okay, the last squishy is the most effective. Now, this is actually my first ever squishy I ever had. It's actually super dirty. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, like right there. Because I didn't really care about squishies back then. I just like, oh, I'm just going to buy this. But look at all those defects. How did I even let this happen? Oh my god. It doesn't have many defects. Oh yes, it does. Yes, it has a lot of defects. Well, it's I can't talk today. It's mostly on the bottom right here where there's defects, but it's like a lot right here too. This is like so big. Oh my god. I don't want to make it bigger. But so yeah, that's my whole squishy tag video. I'm probably gonna do another video of this because I want to get more squishies. Or I'm just gonna make different questions. So yeah, that's the video. Bye. Wait, first, please subscribe and comment down below how I can improve my videos. And please click that big red button down here, and please when you press that button, you could press the post notifications. When it pop, there's a notification that pops up. Oh, I can't talk today. Oh my god. Okay. There's a notification that pops up whenever I make a video and upload it. So yeah, please click that, and please click that like button that right here, and the subscribe button, and the post notifications bell. So yeah, that will really help my channel a lot. Bye.